Hello and welcome to week 5 of EDU 509. Quick recap, we did the 6 R's that will continue into the next few weeks, and we have taken a substantive look at mission and vision and how that aligns with trauma-informed principles. I took a few minutes and looked at a couple of the assignments that were turned in, and so far the evidence-based recommendations are very well done. Great job. This week, our themes are self-regulation, executive functioning, and applying the 6 R's. You're going to watch this video and respond on discussion board. You have some websites and articles that are kind of shared between weeks 5 and 6, 2 discussion board learning activities, so you should have 2 initial posts and 4 responses to peers, and you're going to start prepping for assignment 3 as it is a bigger assignment. So for assignment 3, you're going to use the 6 R's as a template to prepare a lesson, practice, or presentation, infusing one or more of the 6 R's as it relates to self-regulation and executive functioning. Conclude with key learnings and insights. So part 1 is the paper. Part 2, which is due week 7, is posting a 1-page overview of your lesson for others to look at and comment on. So you're going to have an introduction and purpose of the writing. Prepare a lesson, practice, or presentation infusing one or more of the 6 R's. That section right there does not need to be an APA. You can format that however you would normally format a lesson plan. You're going to identify the key learnings or insights, and then you'll have a conclusion. Make sure everything but that lesson plan section is APA 7 formatted. If you have any citations in your lesson, those should still be APA. 3 to 4 pages of writing, and then make sure that your headers and text citations and everything else are per APA. One thing to notice from the rubric, there is an action plan component of this. So what is your goal? So make sure your lesson plan shows that there is a goal and a complete list of specific feasible steps that you're taking towards that goal. Detail every step necessary to successfully implement the action plan, again, lesson plan, etc. And potential barriers are clearly defined, as are the strategies to address them. So perhaps some of the 6 R's could be those strategies or other things you've learned in your courses. Content and message. Make sure you infuse the 6 R's as they relate to self-regulation and executive functioning. You do not have to do all 6, but you should do at least 1, if not more. I'm going to go over and look at the discussion boards quick. It is week 5. So our first discussion board, you're going to utilize the 6 R's. And you're going to go back and look at a recent lesson or one that you'll be teaching in next week's, and how many of the R's might you be able to implement into your teaching methods. Please note which ones you don't think you would use. There is a link to help. And for the second one, I will be editing this. We're going to do, everybody will do one. You're going to provide 2 possible interventions. An example intervention has been provided. So know that this one will be edited later on today, which is June 1st. Only 2 interventions will need to be done, not 3. Because we're not doing that in a team. All right, so my question for you guys this week is, as the school year winds down for most of us, not all of us, what is one thing you hope to bring forward to next year? If you have any questions, please be in touch. That's my email address, and have a great week.